Earning money online is an easy and convenient way to make some extra cash. And it's not even that difficult. And millions of Americans have already started making money online, and I've done the work for you. I've gone ahead and I've shortlisted some top ways that you can start earning some extra cash starting today. Now, you might be wondering, what do I know about earning money online? Well, look, I have always had a business, and I started my first online business back in 2001, flipping stuff on eBay and on Craigslist. And then I had a web hosting business, and then I got into telecom for a while. These days, I make money consulting, through ads, affiliate sales on my websites, and of course, through this YouTube channel. And if you like this video and want to support the channel, now's a great time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And your bank account will thank you for it. Alright, so let's get right into it. The first way you can start to earn money is by using apps like Uber and Lyft. Transportation has been a challenge for many, even before the pandemic. But even today, transportation affects every aspect of life, and securing transit has just become more challenging. And this is why applications like Uber and Lyft have become so popular. Companies like Uber and Lyft are innovative alternatives to your old transportation means. Users can open up the app on their smartphones and request a ride from an Uber or Lyft driver, and the driver gets paid in exchange for driving you around. So, if you have a driver's license, a smartphone, and a car, you can earn some extra money by driving for Uber and Lyft and similar ride-sharing apps. And as a bonus, I've left you a link in the description below for an article on how you can make $1,000 a week with Uber Eats if you don't like driving people around. Next on the list of ways to earn money online is to become someone's virtual assistant. If you're looking for a comfortable job from home, a virtual assistant position might be a good fit. You can earn some money by helping someone, usually a business person, with their daily tasks. For instance, you can book tickets, schedule appointments, check emails, and so on. Virtual assistants can make a good amount of money depending on how indispensable they become. So, use your skills as you gain experience, and you can find better opportunities and increase your rates. There's also no shortage of clients. Now, if you're just starting out, here's a tip. Focus on the real estate niche. Realtors love virtual assistants because they're always so busy. Next on the list, we have investing in dividend stocks. Investing is something that can yield significant returns in the long run. If you have a chunk of money and you're not sure what to do with it, consider buying some quality dividend stocks. And by the way, here's a video about some quality dividend stocks you might be interested in. Dividend stocks pay you cash to your brokerage account, usually on a quarterly basis. And the best part is, once you own the stock, you just sit back and collect the dividends. Now, you don't have to do anything. If you like the idea of collecting money for doing nothing, give me a like on this video. Now, you can't just throw your money at any stock that you see. You're still going to need to do your own research and see if it's well worth the risk. When you start investing, you should also make it a habit to pay attention and read the news. I include it in my daily routine. I find that if I'm updated on how my investments are doing, it makes me feel better. And remember, there's always risks in investing, so make sure you only invest what you can afford to lose. Next on the list of ways to earn money online is through tutoring. Now, if you're pretty brainy and you have some extra time, then think about becoming an online tutor. Tutors work from home, usually, and just need a good internet connection and a subject to teach. There's many high school and college tutoring jobs available that you can apply for. And don't worry about being a graduate in any specific subject. Many online tutoring companies only require that you understand English. You can also pick your schedule and teach depending on your availability. Teach for as long as you can. And you might even get bonuses for taking on many slots. Now, typically, you're going to tutor 1 or maybe 2 students at a time, and the teaching materials are usually provided by the students. Next on the list of ways to earn money online is by being a transcriptionist. Yes, if you have a computer and you have some fast typing skills, you too can earn some dough by becoming a transcriptionist. And you can do it from the comfort of your own home whenever you like. And the salaries can also be pretty high, as much as $30 or $40 an hour. Many freelancing sites like TranscribeMe or GoTranscript exist where you can get started and make some extra cash. As a transcriptionist, you'll listen to an audio or video recording and type what you hear in the files. Now, you'll need to be accurate, you'll need to have excellent grammar, and follow the company's instructions for what they need. And aside from a computer or a laptop, you'll also probably need to invest some good headphones to make your job easier. Now, this is something I already do and can say it's a great way to earn money online, even from the beach. Yep, writing. It can earn you hundreds, even thousands of dollars a month if you're good at it. And the more specialized you are, the more you can make. Writing can actually make you hundreds of dollars if you're good at it, and the pay is excellent. You can get an average of $25 to $50 an hour or more. You can visit sites like Fiverr and Upwork, as they have many freelance writers listed. You can become an SEO writer if you're great at SEO. Or you can be a general writer who can write on pretty much any topic, but only scratches the surface. But folks, let you in on a little secret. The big bucks lie in niches, such as technology, finance, and crypto. If you're the crafty type, Etsy is a site where you can show your love for crafting and design. There's a high demand for crafts, and turning your hobby into a money-making mill can be a great idea. Just make sure that the materials and the crafts that you use are worth the price. And you don't have to worry about making some big productions in the beginning. Find a way to connect with your potential buyers and highlight what makes your crafts unique. For instance, you can donate a part of your sales to cancer research or Save the Turtles, or maybe both. No contribution is too small with good goals. The internet is growing daily, and by now, everyone knows about YouTube. Yes, even you. This popular platform has the potential to earn money by making videos of what you are good at. You can promote your channel on social media and on your blog to get more views. Find your voice and create a channel that you'll seriously work on and grow. And the best creators find a way to connect with their audience. It's like any other social media platform. YouTube demands consistent content from its creators to keep them relevant. You should also be aware of the site's algorithm, including the do's and don'ts, so you don't end up getting copyright issues or demonetized. Next on the list of ways to earn money online is through consulting. Consulting is something that I do frequently, and it's in big demand. From financial consulting to trading consultants, every business requires some form of consulting services. You can make up to $100, $1,000, or even $10,000 a call just for a consultation. And as a consultant, you're expected to be an expert in a particular field or a profession. You're basically renting out your knowledge to your client to help them make informed, relevant decisions that can significantly impact their business. You can take both short and long-term projects, and depending on your contracts with your clients, you can work more than one at the same time. Along the same line as freelance writing, if you're looking to build a passive income machine, then starting a blog can be a viable option. In the long run, if you keep writing and promoting it, you can make money pretty much for doing nothing. And what do you think about making money for doing nothing? Give me a like if you like that idea, to make money while you sleep. Now, getting back to your blog, you can promote your blog posts on social media sites to get readers. And eventually, you can monetize your blog with ads and affiliate programs. Next on the list of ways to earn money online is through online courses or webinars. And it's something I am going to launch this month as well, so look out for it. Now, as the internet grows, everything is going digital and it's happening fast. The internet has not left a single industry intact, and learning is one of them. Students can learn online with the internet and a computer or a laptop and a mobile phone. So if you're good at something and you can teach it, then perhaps think about earning money by selling a course. Start by recording a lecture while you're teaching and then upload it to a course selling site. And another option is to give paid webinars or master classes. If you have a spare room or home, you can probably earn some extra cash with it. You can list your room or your house on Airbnb and people can temporarily rent it out. But how do you stand out from the competition? Well, you're going to need to decorate and arrange the space so that it looks good online. Search for what room layouts work best and get some inspiration online as to the aesthetics that you should be after. And when your space is already pimped out, it'll be easy to rent it at a higher price. Now, I've said it before and I'll say it again, we're in the internet age and every single business requires a website. From small companies to huge mega corporations, everyone needs a website. And if you've got skills like designing websites and are good at content creation, well, you can make a decent salary from home. You can find thousands of job listings on Upwork related to web design, and they pay really well. As a web designer, you can even earn upwards of $70,000 a year. If you have access to a product, selling it online can earn you tons of money. You can quickly scale your business by using sites like Shopify and Amazon to sell goods that are made by overseas companies and distributors. With dropshipping, you never see the product. The order comes in, you buy it from the distributor, and then they ship it to your customer with your name on the box. But in order to be successful, you're going to need to be on top of your inventory and your orders so that you don't let your customers down. As companies expand their online reach, they also need brand ambassadors and influencers to promote their brand digitally. And if you have tons of followers on Instagram or TikTok, you too should think about becoming a brand ambassador. Many brands give thousands of dollars for promoting their products and services online. Give me a like if you'd like to earn $10,000 or even $50,000 promoting somebody's project or product. If you're lucky to score a deal like that, well, it can no doubt be life-changing. Last on the list of things that you can earn money with online is, well, crypto. Now, cryptocurrency is nothing new, but it's quickly become a worldwide craze. If you've got some extra cash lying around, you can use it to buy some Bitcoin or Ethereum for yourself. Now, investing in even the top cryptocurrencies is riskier than investing in traditional assets, but the rewards can also be high. Some people have made themselves millionaires by just investing in Bitcoin or Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies. So there we have it. Those were my top tried and true and tested 15 ways to earn money online. Do you do any of those? Have you done any of those in the past? Let me know in the comments below. Whatever you do, earning money online consistently is not an easy task. However, for those who treat it as a business, well, they'll find it much more manageable over time and fruitful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.